We are gonna try the new Patrick Ta foundation and powder duo. I got the shade Light 3, which is a neutral golden undertone. I hope this is the right shade for me, but just looking at the foundation color itself, it looks like it would match me. Before we get into the demo, let's go see some swatches. I guess I'm just gonna dip it in there. I have some on my hand right here and it feels very, very creamy. Like I've never actually had a foundation like this. Like I've never tried a foundation in a compact like that. I think the only one I've tried is like a cushion foundation. I guess it's kind of similar. I think I do like applying it with my finger first just to see where I want it to be. Like that. And the side of my nose. And chin. And now let's buff out. Look at my nose difference. Looks like there's definitely pigment. I'm gonna put some in my eyelid too, just to even out the whole ordeal. This is actually very high coverage than I thought it would be. I got the wrong color or what? Is it too light? Okay, first impression regarding the foundation is that it feels very creamy. It feels very light. It is so emollient that it just glided on perfectly. It doesn't feel sticky either. That's really weird. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm gonna apply it with my concealer brush this time. Okay, now I want to see how this will act as a concealer, so I'm gonna put another layer underneath my eyes and maybe around my nose area just to see how it would do. So that's another layer underneath my eye. I think it does cover up, but not as much as I would like. I can still see like this darkness right here, like right here. I really like how it works as a concealer too. It's not bad. Put a concealer on though. For concealer, I'm going to be using the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I have a full review here that you can check out. When I was swatching the powder on my hand, it kind of emphasized the lines on my hands. Really afraid on how it looked like on my face. I feel like it would definitely emphasize my texture. So I'm gonna tap just a little bit and then fling off the rest. Okay. Just one side of the face so we can see the difference with powdered and unpowdered. Oh dear. This is the unpowdered side. The powdered side. I don't like how it looks like powdered. It just looks like unnatural. Like you could tell I have powder on. It looks way better without. I want to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder on this side just to see if I'm tripping out or what. Right side Patrick Ta, left side CT. Because I know the CT one is my favorite powder for blurring. It is definitely undetectable. Definitely emphasized my textures. It's you can tell I have powder on. Like it's so visible. But on the side that I put on the CT, I can't see the powder. Okay, right now it is 9:49 now that I have finished my foundation and concealer and set it. I'm gonna put the rest of the makeup and I will check back in a couple hours. Patrick Ta foundation and powder duo. Does it last? Check-in number 1, it is 1:38 p.m. It has been over 3 hours, just a little bit under 4 hours. So this is how the foundation looks like. This is the side of the Patrick Ta foundation and powder right here. It looks like all the foundation is still on, nothing is rubbed off, but I don't know, there's just something about it that I don't like. But this side, I really like it. So I'm pretty impressed with the coverage so far at the 4-hour mark, and I will check back in later at the end of the day and give you my full thoughts. Last check-in of the day, it is 5:41 p.m. and this is how the foundation is looking like. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm that oily. Like, I don't feel like I'm badly oily. I just feel like I look glowy. I think my nose could use some touch-ups a little bit, dust off this oiliness in my T-zone, but I think overall it looks good. Okay, I guess I'm gonna touch up with powder with this. I just want to see how it looks like. I'm gonna use a light hand and dust this off. Okay, now that I powdered with the Patrick Ta, and I am very convinced now that I do not like the powder. It just looks so powdery. The big question, do I recommend this? I do not recommend this because of that reason. If we are gonna have a duo palette, both things need to work. The foundation is really good in my opinion, but the powder is not good. It's not worth it to get this at all, because if you're gonna get this, both of them has to work for you, right? Otherwise, it's a waste of money or waste of space. If Patrick Ta gonna make the cream foundation by itself, sign me up. But this girl gotta skip the powder. Skip it. So I'm gonna skip the whole thing. All right, it's your turn. Let's talk. Have you tried the Patrick Ta foundation and powder duo? What did you think of it? Did you find your shade? Did you like the formula? Did you like everything about it? What don't you like about it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you are looking to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is me trying out the new Tarte Man Eater After Dark palette, as well as the new Too Faced PSL Melted Liquid Lipstick. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful day.